Sermon number 226. Transience of the world, and the helplessness of those in graves. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. This is a house surrounded by calamities and well known for deceitfulness. Its conditions do not last and those who inhabit it do not remain safe. Its conditions are variable and its ways changing. Life in it is blameworthy and safety in it is non-existent. Yet its people are targets. It strikes them with its arrows and destroys them through death. Know, O creatures of Allah, that, certainly, you and all the things of this world that you have are treading on the lines of those who were before you. They were of longer ages, had more populated houses and were of more lasting traces. Their voices have become silent, their movements have become stationary, their bodies have become rotten, their houses have become empty and their traces have been obliterated. Their magnificent places and spread-out carpets were changed to stones, laid in blocks and cave-like dug-out graves whose very foundation is based on ruins and whose construction has been made with soil. Their positions are contiguous, but those settled in them are like far-flung strangers. They are among the people of their area but feel lonely, and they are free from work but still engaged in activity. They feel no attachment with homelands, nor do they keep contact among themselves like neighbors, despite nearness of neighborhood and priority of abodes. And how can they meet each other when decay has ground them with its chest, and stones and earth have eaten them? It is as though you too have gone where they have gone, the same sleeping place has caught you and the same place has detained you. What will then be your position when your affairs reach their end and graves are turned upside down, to throw out the dead? Thus shall every soul realize what it hath sent before, and they shall be brought back to Allah, their true Lord, and what they did fabricate, the false deities, will vanish away from them.